Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to block credit cards on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Open your favorite browser. Go to hdfcbank.com. Now click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Net Banking login page. Enter your customer ID or user ID. Click on Continue. Now enter your password. Click Login. You are logged into your HDFC Bank Internet Banking account. In the top menu bar, hover your mouse over Pay. Under the Card section, click on Credit Cards from the drop-down menu. You will be navigated to Your Credit Cards page, where you can view all the credit cards linked to your account. If you have lost your credit card or never received it, you can block it here. To block the credit card, click the Block button. Select the valid reason. Choose whether the card should be reissued or not. If you select Reissue, make sure that address you have provided to the bank is your current address. Otherwise, update your current address on the bank's website before applying for a reissue. Now, click on Block Card to confirm. That's it. Your credit card has been blocked. This is how you can block credit cards on HDFC Bank Internet Banking. Thank you for watching.